Hello and welcome to lab number 4. My name is Sayyid Tehzeeb Hussain and I am the trainer for this series. Active Directory. So in this lab what we are going to do is that we are going to perform installation of read-only domain controller. Installing read-only domain controller. Prerequisites are like same as what we did for additional domain controller. You should have a root forest, root domain already, which we did in lab 2. Then you need static id, ip host name. I have already completed this part, connectivity, checking the connectivity with primary domain controller and administrative access. So please follow the sequence of lab for the first round. Okay, now let's move ahead with the learning outcome. In this, we are going to see how to install read-only domain controller, how to promote it, understand the replication between DC, validate domain health using tools like DC admin, DC DAG, Active Directory, users and computers. Let's move ahead without a further ado. Okay, so here we are. I have logged in into my third server. I have already performed the prerequisite tasks that we have done for both of our server in previous lab, disabling firewall, assigning IP address that you see over here, and changing the host name. Now, without a further ado, let's move ahead and install domain controller and then perform the required action. Add roles and features. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and then which role? Yes, you are right. Active Directory Domain Services, add features, next, 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 and then click on install. Installation will take some time. Once the installation is completed, we will move ahead. Let's move ahead. So installation is succeeded, configuration is required. Click on close, click on flag notification. Please have a look at your notes. Please have a look at your notes. I repeat. Promote the server to a domain controller. Which option? First, second, third. Yes, you are right. The first option, the very first option, which is add a domain controller to existing domain. We already have a domain and that is hypro.com, and then click on change. Here we are going to give administrator. Now this time let's do like this, hypro slash administrator. Okay, click on next. Focus on this screen. This step is new for you guys. This is the highlight or core of this scenario. Let's wait. Let's move ahead. I think the password we have not given correct. Okay, so now this screen, make sure that you select read-only domain controller. I repeat, make sure that you select read-only domain controller. I will repeat once again, make sure that you select read-only domain controller. And now password. Rest all steps are same, no need to change anything. Click on next, click on next as well, here as well, click on next here as well, click on next. Prerequisite checks are going on. Click on install. Installation will take some time. Once the installation is completed, then we will move ahead. Once we have promoted the server to domain controller, it is rebooting. It will take some time. So now we will wait for the reboot and then we will move ahead. Okay, so reboot is done. Let's log in very quickly over here. Okay, so installation is completed. Let's move ahead and validate the post checks. Open cmd. Remember these commands. dcdiag. This over here. Click on close. Go to tools. Event viewer. Application and service logs. Expand application and service log. Click on directory services. Logs are generated. Close this. Next, yes, you are right. Tools, sites and services. Expand site, expand default, expand servers, and you have 3 servers over here. Good. Go to tools, go to users and computers. You see over here, this is your ADUC. We'll expand it, advanced features, expand, domain controller. If you see over here, HiPro ADSRV03 is read only. Now let us validate this. Okay, let us validate this very quickly. Right click on Active Directory and computers. I will repeat. Right click on Active Directory and computers, change domain controller, select third domain. I will repeat once again. Right click on ADUC, change domain controller, select third one and click on OK. Before that, let me show you one thing. Right click on domain, you see over here new. That means you have write access as of now, right? Okay. But this application, this AD is connected on Ancot SRVR01. So if I go over here, if I change it to 02. If I expand it, right click on domain name, still I see new. That means write access is there. Again, 02 is additional domain controller. Read only is 03. So if I right click over here and I say change domain controller, and if I go and select 03 and I click OK, the selected domain is read only. You will not be able to perform any write operations. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now let's do one thing. Right click on domain, new option is gone. That means on this domain controller, if I log in, I cannot create a user. I repeat, I cannot create a user. That means it has only read access. That's it for this lab. In this lab, we saw how to promote a read-only domain controller. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.